Dassault Aviation's newest business jet. The Falcon 6X presents a major step forward for large cabin business jet operators. The Falcon 6X, conceived as a 10,200 km range jet with the largest cabin in its class. The aircraft features numerous technological advances designed to bring significant benefits to operators. The 6X will be largely based on the Falcon 5X design, but optimized to take advantage of the new engine, while offering a greater range and a longer cabin. The $47 million 6X will have a top speed of Mach 0.90. The 6X, like the Falcon 7X and 8X, will feature full fly-by-wire flight controls and advanced cockpit. It can accommodate 16 passengers in 3 zones with 29 windows, including a galley skylight. The approach speed can be as low as 202 km per hour with 8 passengers and 3 crew. Falcon 6X able to land on runways of just 760 meters. It has Digital Flight Control System, DFCS, provides better maneuverability. Dassault has selected Pratt & Whitney Canada's PW800 series engine to power the Falcon 6X, which Dassault says will offer the quietest and most comfortable cabin of any aircraft in its class, and more cabin volume than any other Falcon ever designed, optimized to take advantage of the new engine, while offering a greater range.